Okay guys, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair with a center part, a middle part, so that I don't have to disturb this section. And I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like after air drying. Okay, already moisturized and sealed, and this is what my texture looks like. So I wanted to do a center part low bun, so that's why I left my hair just like this, just like how I air dry. So I'm just gonna get into the hairstyle and see how my face looks with a center part. I'm 2 weeks post in this video. Okay guys, I think the hairstyle turned out really cute. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the hairstyle. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really think it turned out nice. So you guys can just click right here on my face to subscribe to the club. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the cards above. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.